What up, YouTube? Okay, so we're going to be going over the best 3 businesses to start in 2020 that take no startup capital, that you can do anywhere in the world, and that can be done even if you're not 18 yet. So I got 3 great businesses that are rising up really fast. There's a huge wave. There's going to be a lot more money in these businesses in 2020, which spells a lot of opportunity for you. So take notes, people, because we're going to go over specifically, point by point, right here on my computer, how you can get started in these business and start making money fast. Let's get it. Around the corner, and what's really cool is that there are so many changes happening in the world right now, and change spells opportunity because most people don't want to change. But if you're trying to get started as an entrepreneur in business, these changes and these big trends spell opportunity for you. And I'm going to be going over these 3 businesses you can start. I got a lot of information right here. But if anybody can guess what number 1 is, first of all, AM, just say got it in the comments, because this one's pretty easy. And if you've been following my channel for a little bit, you know what number 1 is. Okay, let's get into it. So number 1 is one of the fastest growing fields in the entire world right now, and it's really exciting. And it's affiliate marketing, right? I'm just going to abbreviate it. That's what I do, okay? And affiliate marketing has actually grown over 40% in 2018, and it continues to grow even faster. It's growing even more in 2019 and going into 2020. This is a great field to get in. The fact is that companies no longer want to spend their advertising dollars hoping and praying that they get some leads or they get some customers. Companies would much rather pay money to get a customer rather than pay money to get ads. And there's opportunity for people like us to market other businesses. And the reality is that corporations hire college students, and college students don't know good marketing tactics anymore. College is not where you learn marketing anymore. We have armies at our disposal online. So why not utilize all the people around the world? Let me move my Kufi. Okay, so let's get into affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you websites that apply all over the world. There's 2, but the first website that I recommend is called ClickBank, but you cannot use ClickBank if you live in Africa or if you live in Pakistan or Bangladesh. But basically, ClickBank, if you see right here, the way it's spelled is ClickBank, okay? Not QuickBank, not clickbait, but ClickBank. And you create an account here, and you will find products here. Now, I'm going to show you a quick rule of thumb is if you go to the products area, you search for products by clicking this button, and what will happen is you will get listed over 4,200 products that will pay you money. And you can just scroll through and find products that'll pay you money. Here's $40. This product will, if you get a sale of it, you will get $37. Now, how to do affiliate marketing, I go into other videos on my channel, so the specific tactics, but I'm just going the overview right here. Now, some things that I would suggest as an affiliate marketer is look for recurring programs, okay? Look for programs that pay you monthly, because if you get paid monthly, now you're building up a base. Being an entrepreneur has lots of ups and downs, but if you create recurring income for yourself, like I have over 100,000 a month in recurring income right now. So if I were to like die even, I'd have $100,000 coming in my bank account every month, right? Pretty cool. So you can do that, and it works in a number of different languages, but you can sign up all over the world. What up, Nigeria? What up, Bangladesh? What up, Pakistan? Okay, so if you're from these other countries in the world where you're like, you know, ClickBank's discriminating against me. I don't know. Let me just be clear. I'm not discriminating against you. I get a lot of hate comments that are like, why are you discriminating against Nigerians? I'm not discriminating against you. That's the companies. But here's a website that you can join as an affiliate marketer and get started with and start posting links and start earning money. Let's get it. That website is called Digistore, okay? Digistore24.com. Just pause the video and there's a link down in the description where you can sign up. It'll show that you're referred by me, so you'll have a better chance of getting in. They pay through Payoneer or PayPal, okay? So Payoneer or PayPal for Digistore, but they don't have as many good products as ClickBank. They only have about 100 products you can sell. Let's get it. So number 2 is being a, can you guess it? Social influencer, okay? So being a social media influencer is one of the fastest growing fields because really all the celebrities, all this stuff is being created online now. It's all about how many follows you have, how many, friends or subscribers or whatnot that you have. And becoming a social media influencer is gonna be a growing thing. There are a lot of perks to being a social media influencer. Free hotels, free plane flights, better customer service anywhere I call, free meals or better service at restaurants. The list goes on and on and on. And I've seen a lot of positive aspects of being a social influencer, and it just kind of all came naturally. Now, some things to know is you can start being a social media influencer. It's a great thing to combine with affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is the best kind of online business. So if you have influence, if you have a lot of followers, you can use affiliate marketing very easily to kind of monetize your following. There's a lot of other ways you can monetize your following as a social media influencer. Not going to go into all the things, but basically, there's brand deals, there's ads, there's e-commerce, and there's, other sorts of partnership type mixtures of affiliate opportunities. But the point being, you're in demand, and this is where people are looking. The easiest way to get followers is just to follow, unfollow, like friend, unfriend, and actually just kind of build up yourself organically by following lots of other people, hoping they follow you back, and I guess unfollowing them or unfriending them after a period of time if they don't follow you. So on Twitter, you can follow 1,000 people a day. Okay, you can follow them if they follow you. If they don't follow you, you unfollow them. On Instagram, you can follow about 50 people a day, and you can steadily increase that to hundreds, okay? On Facebook, you can friend 499 people a day. One of my friends, Brian, he's a 7-figure affiliate marketer, is like almost 10 Facebook accounts now. All of them have, 5,000 friends. So he didn't use fan pages, he used just profiles, and he built his influence that way. And LinkedIn, you can friend 50 people a day, or you can connect with 50 people a day. I see a lot of opportunity on LinkedIn, especially for the business-to-business market. And something people underestimate about LinkedIn is you don't need millions of followers. If you have influence amongst business professionals, that's a much more moneyed audience. It's worth a lot more than having a lot of 15-year-old kids following you. So basically, you want to follow a lot of people and you want to post a lot. And I'm going to show you an example on my computer of 2 people who I think do social media pretty well. I'm going to show a man and I'm going to show a woman, or a boy and a girl, or something like that. Okay, so this guy does social media better than anybody I've ever seen. And his name is Jay Alvarez. And if anybody follows Jay Alvarez here, type in Jay or type in that guy is lit, because this guy is doing crazy things in social media. His main thing is Instagram, and he travels the world. He posts funny things. He's actually a model. And what's funny is he gets $1 million for any promotion he does, for any brand partnership he does. He has 6 million followers. He made millions of dollars doing a drop shipping. He started drop shipping necklaces. He has a luggage line called Douchebags. It's amazing. But why this guy does very well, he has 6 million followers, and he has a very clear brand. It's kind of like travel, fun, luxury, a little bit of fashion, and a lot of girls. So this is a great example, also a way to sell business opportunity products. If he were selling a course or something about what he does for a living or how to do what he does, this he would sell out. So as you see, he does a lot of fun stuff, and he tries to show off his personality, which is fashion and tattoos and all that stuff. Another guy who does it very well, who is an affiliate marketer, and these are both guys I follow, I think they do very well, is Tiger. And this is just even a better example of if you are going to go into affiliate marketing and start selling my product, check out what this guy does. Cars, girls, luxury, cigars, private planes, and fashion, okay? So really cool stuff. You want to generally make your social media around a couple different topics, and it's a great place to be. But post often, unfollow a lot of people, grow. Last but not least, here's Elise Lininger. She's a skincare marketer. As you see, she's made her brand around nature, around skincare, and around kind of spirituality type of stuff. So really cool stuff. 3 things you should never feel guilty for. She has a lot of quotes. And so you don't always need to be in the most interesting place. You could have quotes, or you could, release footage afterwards. Most people don't know. Okay, now this last profession is responsible for a couple of these. And this is the fastest growing profession in the world right now. It used to be one of the lowest paying professions in the entire world. And it's really sad, but that profession is actually being a teacher. Okay. And you say, why? How, you can't be a teacher, that doesn't pay any money. I'm not talking about, driving to school every day and, saying, kids, calm down in class. I'm talking about being a teacher, an online teacher. Everything's online. I don't even know why we have to use the word online anymore. If you aren't online, missed the boat. But being a teacher online, just like what I'm doing here, is actually a very good profession. You can do it a number of different ways. I'm doing this for free on YouTube, but you can do this on sites like Udemy, which I'm going to show you in just a second here, as well as, Masterclass. There's a lot of platforms where you can teach online, but realistically speaking, I think YouTube is the future of education. And if anybody agrees with me that YouTube is the future of education, type in "it's the future." If you disagree that YouTube is the future of education, let's argue. I was debate champion in high school. So I'd love to hear your arguments if you disagree with me. But I believe knowledge needs to be free. I believe knowledge, you shouldn't have to drive to school and have to go in a parking lot and walk. It just doesn't make sense to do school that way anymore. I believe YouTube is the future of education, and I believe having people figuring out what they enjoy and picking a teacher to self-educate is going to be the future. We shouldn't be forcing kids into education, but you can make a lot of money as a teacher, and a lot of my friends make millions of dollars a year. I make millions of dollars a year as a teacher. And it's really great because, what I'm teaching is and you can sign up for my 6-week course called the Super Affiliate System. It's $2,000 and it teaches people how to start from zero to hero in affiliate marketing. I show people Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, email ads, and landing pages and beyond. Okay. Just to give you an idea, I run a 1-person company. Okay. 1 person. It's just me. Ali and Alicia, we see each other every 2 months. They film for me sometimes. I have some contractors that help me out, but it's just me. And my business makes $7 million a year. So how do you get started as a teacher, right? Now, what I do is a little more complex. I've been doing this for years, but it's a very scalable industry and it's based off of knowledge. So if you have something to give, you can do this very easily. Now, let me give you an example. So we can go on udemy.com, and udemy.com is, let me zoom in on this, is a site where you can sign up to be a teacher and sell courses. They have everything ready for you. They're not going to market your course for you, but I'll show you how to get started. So you go down to the bottom, it says become an instructor today, right there. And you want to click that button right there, and you can get started and sign up to be a teacher on Udemy. Now they'll take a percentage of your profits, but again, they won't be marketing your course for you. So how do you market your course? You market your course where people are looking to learn, on places such as all the places we talked about: YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, etc. Any social media platform is a great place to teach. And being a social influencer and a teacher is a great combination, because being a social influencer gives you traffic, gives you an audience, and teaching gives you a way to make money. So both of those work hand in hand, but you don't need to do it that way. You could have partnerships, there's other ways I won't go too deep into, but essentially you need to start a YouTube channel and you need to start teaching. And let me show you one motivational example recently that was really cool. So we had a mice problem because our neighbors were letting their ivy grow really long in their backyard, and there are all these mice that started burrows. So I was looking for mice traps, right? Because rat traps they're different. Mice are very light. And what I came across was, look, this guy, Sean Woods, literally, he is a teacher. All he teaches about is creating wild animal traps. That's it. Wild animal traps. That's what he teaches about. He has 1.2 million subscribers. 1.2 million subscribers is a lot of people, folks. Just to give you an idea, that's probably around $50,000 a month in just ad revenue. So in this case, Sean literally doesn't need a business model other than just putting up videos. Most of the internet is hard. If you have a lot of followers on Instagram, you still have to find a way to make money, right? Instagram isn't going to pay you. Facebook isn't going to pay you. Twitter's not going to pay you. LinkedIn isn't going to pay you. You have to get traffic and you have to have a business model. And the great thing about YouTube right now, and why it's so unbelievably amazing and easy to get into, is you don't have to have a business model. You can just put up cool videos. And in this case, he's just catching wild animals. He's doing something anybody can do with a little wire. Or he makes a lot of his traps just by using handmade wood.
We have a really special one to show you.
Like, look at this. He's created a mouse trap. It's called a Mongolian mouse trap, and he's going to catch a mouse. But he does all these videos. He uses kind of night cams, and he catches all these wild animals. It's pretty crazy. He catches a desert kangaroo. Look at this. Or kangaroo rat. It's really cool. I'm addicted to this channel. I've been watching so many mousetrap videos. I've been building my own mousetraps. Why? I don't know. It's really bad. It's really sucking me in. But the point is, you can teach anything. You can teach how to trap wild animals. You can teach how to garden. You can teach how to sew. You can teach how to install lights. You can teach how to do affiliate marketing like I do. There's so many opportunities, and you can literally get paid just to teach, and you don't even have to have a business model. Now, I make, just to give you an idea, about $15,000 a month just from YouTube. That's not even including the extra additional revenue I make having my own business models on top of that. Now you see what Sean is doing is he's also selling t-shirts around what you do. You can do a lot of different things. Boom! Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know, what was your favorite thing to learn about in the comments? Was it affiliate marketing? Was it social media influencer? Or was it being a teacher? And let me know in the comments what was the most interesting. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join the Money Club. If you want to go deep in affiliate marketing, then make sure you join the Money Club. It's $50 a month, and you will get access to over 40 hours of step-by-step trainings of entrepreneur and copywriting and affiliate marketing trainings from me, from my archive. And you'll also get access to talk to me. Okay, your network is your net worth. And if you want access to talk to me on live streams twice a month, then join the Money Club. Make sure you like the video, and talk to you soon.